Serena. Hey guys. So we're reunited, but the thing is,
Track me in the tree, alright? What does it say?
So we're really confused on how to do this. We're really confused.
Wait, Serena, follow me. I think I found a way. You know the way? No, but I found one. Is this a new place?
Totally.
There's a glowing orb here. This is a different place, I think.
That's not a glowing orb. That's a log.
Oh, it looks like a glowing orb. Wait, there's another Shrek meme on the tree. Wait, that's the same place we were at. I found something glowy, but it's something that has been chasing us and trying to kill us. So,
Is there
there's
like
a freaking tunnel. My goodness, I think we need a walkthrough. Oh,
is there no escape to this? Are we just stuck here?
no, we need. Okay, I'm gonna talk to that guy again at spawn. Oh shoot, a green guy.
Why did you have to wake him?
I didn't see him. He was covered by a tree. Another green guy. I'm surrounded.
Come on, it's okay.
Hey,
What was that?
I found something cool.
No, please! Alright, guys. I just got a little carried away with my vocal cords.
Ooh.
Wait, do the green guys even hurt you? Do the green guys?
Should I go?
Oh, yes, the green guys hurt you.
They're probably Shrek Swamp Guardians.
Thinking we're bad people. I did it.
Oh my god, please, green guy, don't see me. Ew, they're headless too, that's scary. No offense to headless people. I mean, they're dead, so. Wait, I don't think they'll get offended. Can't see.
This one has a head. I see one. It has a head. There's another person here. I'm going to follow them so they can lead me. Lead me.
I see you too. Ew, and it has the things that I hated. The cartoony things with the rainbow outline.
I know, but
I
like,
hate them.
we gotta follow him to see if he knows.
Oh no! No, this green dude is so close to me.
Do you see that? He has a head.
He has a head? Whoa! I don't think we saw this place.
No, we didn't.
Look how beautiful.
He's pretty. This dude's smart.
Rainbow. Wait, what does it say? These plants say something? It says Adrian Brody everywhere. Cool.
Should we just follow that guy?
Yeah. This whole place is about Adrian Brody. It's so cool.
He's like covered in the stuff that we hate.
Another place of the ancients all to myself.
He's covered in the stuff we hate. We haters. Haters all hate.
Hey, I see a place. And where's the freaking tunnel?
That I don't know.
Wait, that guy. I think he's onto something. He just disappeared around here.
Where is he going? There's another person.
Yeah.
I
I
don't-
have two people followed. Yay.
Just in case we lose
Uh-oh,
one.
that guy's going back
There's another green guy.
Oh, there's a green person. Jesus. Hey, look. There's a rainbow tree. Let's follow that rainbow tree over there. That looks promising. I know I keep saying that, but
I think we found it. We found it. Yes. It's over there. Right there. Look. I found it. Found it. Found it. Found it.
yes! Yes! Let's talk to this man. Is that Snoop Dogg? I think it's Snoop Dogg.
That's
But
not
G, you made it. Good job. It is him.
H.
Thanks so much. Hey, before we go through, I gotta tell you one thing. What? This next meme cave, this one is amazing. But the last one was nice. I'll see you on the other side. Not this time, but soon. Good luck, my friend.
Oh, I did the other one, and it gave me. Man, you really do
Oh my
believe
God,
in
look,
this.
we have to walk through this. I really. Oh
Got
my God.
Shrek's mouth.
Just start. This cave is beautiful. Come on, take me to the meme cave, please.
More meme cave.
Hey, Snoop.
Meme meme.
This is another trash meme cave.
I see more
Oh
meme.
my God, I'm not getting teleported.
More meme. What is this? No, is that more?
you
No. Is that more swamp? I see.
I'm so lucky. I don't know. I can't make it. I don't want to reset. No, Snoop. Dude, it's not working.
Is it? Is your screen black? Is your screen black?
No. Like I was walking through the mouth, and I see two of the guy we just met. Okay, finally, I'm getting teleported.
It's amazing what you're about to gaze at.
Is it better than the last one?
Yes. It's amazing.
How? The last one was so beautiful.
It's one.
How is this one better?
It's not a meme cave. It's something much more valuable. It's a thing we've been waiting for.
It's very nice.
The reason we're here. Is free.
Oh my God, I don't think I'm honored to be in Shrek's presence.
I know.
The golden statue of Shrek!
Hello.
I'm freaking out right now. Help.
Wait, where are you?